Hello everyone, welcome to my channel to learn how to draw bar graph in Python. To draw the bar graph I am going to use the dataset of the number of coronavirus infections every day in the month of March 2020 in Australia. So I have created a folder called Corona where I have saved the data in Excel spreadsheet. I will open the spreadsheet to show you. After that you launch Python through Anaconda Navigator. Then open Jupyter Notebook. After that create a file, and remember the file that you create you should save it in the same folder where the Excel dataset is saved. Now first you have to import Pandas library which you will use to read the spreadsheet. Use the command import pandas as pd. Also we import the interface pyplot of Matplotlib library using the command from Matplotlib import pyplot and save it as plt. Now run it. Then we will read the Excel data file and store it to a variable called CV using Pandas. We will use the command cv equals pd read underscore Excel parenthesis either double or single quote, corona.xlsx. Once you run the cell, the dataset will be stored in CV. You can check what CV contains by using the following command. This is what is inside the variable CV, which is similar to the data inside the spreadsheet. Now assign the individual columns of the dataset, date and infections, to two separate variables dt and inf respectively using the following command. dt equals cv square bracket double or single quotes date. Remember the spelling in the bracket should be exactly same as the spelling in the first column. Then assign another variable inf for the infection column using the command inf equals cv square bracket double or single quotes infections. Then after you run it, the data of the date column is assigned to dt variable and the data of the infections column is assigned to inf variable. Then we plot the graph using the command plt.bar parenthesis dt comma inf. Then boom, here is our graph. Now to make it more presentable we will define what x-axis stands for and what y-axis stands for, and we also add a title to define what the graph represents. The command to define x label is plt.slabel parenthesis signal quotes date. Similarly, the command to define Y label is plt.elabel parenthesis single quotes number of infections. Lastly, to add the title, we use the command plt.title parenthesis single quotes coronavirus daily infection in Australia for March 2020. Now we plot it again. Now we can see on the top of the graph the title Coronavirus Daily Infections in Australia for March 2020. The X label defined as date. Y label as number of infections. Now if we can analyze graph. There has been a steep increase in the number of infected people from March 15 peaking on March 28. From March 28 there has been a decrease in the number of infections, which is a really positive sign for Australia. And we are on our way to flattening the curve. Having said that, we cannot relax yet, and we still should continue to do the right thing by staying home and following social distancing. So that is how we draw a bar graph in Python using Pandas and Matplotlib library. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Goodbye until next time.